Hi everyone, welcome to the session on Agile methodology. Today we are going to see the topic is Agile project management from Unit 1 Agile methodology. So Agile project management is a modern approach to handling the projects, especially software projects where requirements change frequently. Unlike traditional project management methods like waterfall, Agile focus on flexibility, customer collaboration, and iterative delivery. That means instead of delivering the entire product at the end, Agile teams delivers a small working feature step by step. In this section, we will see how Agile manages the project planning, execution, team collaboration, and delivery in a smarter and more adaptive way compared to traditional method. So introduction to Agile project management. Here the Agile project management shift focus from the traditional rigid methods to adaptive approach. In traditional methods like waterfall, the project plan is fixed and any change becomes difficult. Agile project management is completely different. It is flexible and adaptive. It accepts the project requirements evolve over time. So the process must be able to adapt to changes instead of resisting them. It prioritized value delivery, transparency, and responsiveness to changing the requirements. Agile focus on delivering value to the customers as early as possible. It achieves this through transparency. Everyone knows the project status and responsiveness. The team can quickly adjust to new requirements or customer feedback. Lean productions principles and theory of constraints form its foundation. Agile project management is built on lean principles like eliminating waste, improving flow, and continuous improvement. It also uses the theory of constraints to identify and resolve the bottlenecks that slow project progress. The central goal is to achieve the lower cost, faster delivery, improved quality, and business alignment. Agile is not just about the speed. It aims to reduce the development cost, deliver features faster, improve product quality, and ensure the project is always aligned with the business needs. This means the Agile teams build what provides the highest business value first. Agile transforms software development to align with the modern economic and business realities. In today's fast changing market, companies must release their products quickly and stay competitive. Agile supports this by creating the development environment that embraces the changes, reduce the risk, and delivers the result continuously. Now we'll see the core principles and philosophy. Here, the core philosophy and principles are adaptability, throughput focus, human centric, and uncertainty management. Now, we'll see the one by one. Adaptability. Agile thrives on adaptability and responsiveness to handle the constant project changes. This means Agile is flexible when customer requirements change during the project. Agile teams do not panic or delay. Instead, they quickly adjust a plan and move forward. This helps deliver what the customer actually needs. And next one is the throughput focus. It measures the success by throughput, the value delivered through working software. In Agile, success is not about how much work we started, but how much value we actually deliver. So instead of spending months on planning and documentation, Agile focuses on delivery, working features regularly to the customer. Human centric. Agile foster human centric approaches, empowering the knowledge workers and teams. Agile thrives more importance to people than to tools and process. Team members are encouraged to collaborate, share ideas, and take responsibility. This builds teamwork and improves the productivity because motivated people build better software. Uncertainty management. It acknowledge uncertainty and uses the buffers to accommodate unpredictability. Agile understand that projects always have uncertainties like sudden changes, unexpected bugs, or delays. Instead of avoiding these issues, Agile manage them by working in short cycles and keeping some buffer time to handle rest smoothly. So these principles help teams stay aligned with the business goal amid evolving demands. And next one, the difference from the traditional methods. Now we'll see what are the difference between the traditional method and agile approach. Traditional management logs scope first, negotiating budget and timelines later. In traditional project management model like waterfall, the scope of the project is fixed at the beginning. Only after that the team decides the budget and time. This creates the problem later when requirements change because everything is tightly locked at the start. This leads heavy weight, slow paperwork, heavy process with less flexibility. Since everything is planned in advance, traditional methods involve a lot of documentations and approval. This makes the process slow and rigid. If customer needs the change, the system struggles to adapt because there is a very little flexibility. But in the case of agile approach, RAD flipped this by fixing the deadline first, then adjusting the scope and budget. RAD means the rapid application development introduced the different idea. It focused on delivering within the fixed time limits instead of freezing the scope. A rapid application development allowed changes in the scope and budgets based on time constraints. This made project faster but still lacked human collaboration. Agile builds on rapid application development but integrates the human factors and scope negotiation buffers. Agile improved the rapid application development by adding team collaboration, customer involvement, and flexibility. In Agile, deadlines are important but scope is negotiated throughout the project. Agile also includes the time buffers to handle the unexpected changes smoothly. In next one is the new role of the Agile project manager. In Agile, the role of the project manager changes significantly. Instead of controlling the task and people, an Agile project manager becomes the more of a coach, facilitator, and a problem solver. Here, the role of the Agile project managers number one is the value flow facilitator. Agile project managers no longer focus on detailed task list or manual effort tracking. Their main job is to ensure that the value flows smoothly from the team to the customers. They remove the delays and help the team deliver working software continuously. Blocker resolver. They maintain issue logs, resolving blockers before they cause delivery delays. Whenever team members face the obstacles like dependency, access issues, or decision delays, the Agile project manager steps in quickly to solve them so that the progress is not affected. Buffer monitored. Agile project manager monitor the project buffers to predict and prevent the schedule slips. They use time or task buffers to handle the uncertainties. By tracking these buffers, they make sure the deadlines are realistic and teams are not overloaded. A fourth one is critical chain planner. They create a resource level plan identifying the critical chain to streamline delivery. Instead of traditional Gantt charts, Agile project manager use the critical chain thinking to focus on the tasks that directly impact delivery time. This helps in faster completions of high priority work. So the Agile project manager acts more like a leader and facilitator who enables the team rather than controlling them like a traditional project management. And next one, the metrics for the Agile project. And agile teams need to monitor progress continuously instead of waiting till the end. So, agile uses real time project control tools to track the performance and detect the problems early. Here, the number one is the throughput accounting. Throughput accounting tracks three key financial metrics, that is, throughput, investment, and operating expense. Instead of focusing on cost cutting, this method focuses on how efficiently value is delivered. These metrics directly linked with the business outcomes like net profit and return on investment, helping teams align development with the business goals. And the next matrix is the visualization tool. Agile uses the visual tools to monitor workflow. One common tool is the cumulative flow diagram, which shows how the tasks move through different stages like to do, in progress, and done. This helps identify the bottlenecks early. Project buffer are also visualized using the color codes. Green means healthy, yellow means caution, and red means there is a delay. And third one is the early warning systems. Agile teams track issues, logs, and monitor blocked tasks. If a task is stuck for too long, it signals a risk. Blocked work and recurring issues act as a early warning, allowing the team to solve problems before they affect the delivery. This prevents last minute surprise and delays. So, Agile project control use the smart tracking methods to maintain the delivery speed, quality, and risk control. Next one, the managing the inventory and blocked work. Inventory management. Inventory consists of client valued features in various stages waiting for completions. In Agile, inventory does not mean the physical stock. It refers to unfinished work like user stories or features that are started but not yet completed. These items are valuable to the customer but still waiting to be delivered. Next one is the blocked inventory identifies a work stalled by dependencies or unresolved issues. Sometimes work gets blocked due to dependency like waiting for approval, missing API access, or pending design decisions. This blocked work is called blocked inventory and it slows down the project. Reducing the blocked inventory ensures the better flow and avoids the schedule impacts. When too many tasks are stuck, project delivery slows down. So, agile teams constantly work to reduce blocked work. This keeps the work moving smoothly and prevents delays in your delivery. Agile project manager actively monitor these to maintain the smooth and predictable delivery. Agile project managers use tools like Kanban boards to track their blocked work. They step in quickly to remove the obstacles and support the team. By doing this, they ensure the workflow stays predictable and efficient. Here, in this diagram, the Kanban board shown here the highlights how work items are tracked and blocked. Tasks are made visible to everyone. So, effective inventory management and clearing blocks early help agile teams maintain their delivery speed and project stability. And next one is the coping with the uncertainty in agile projects. Agile projects always deal with the uncertainties like changing requirements, technical challenges, or unexpected delays. Agile uses specific strategies to handle these uncertainties effectively. Buffer protection. Buffers protect key constraints like time, people, scope from the disturbance. This means agile teams add a small safety margin or buffer to observe the unexpected issue. For example, if a task is estimated at 5 days, the team might plan 6 days to handle the unknown or risk. And next one is the buffer allocation. Buffers are allocated in units matching the constraint time. Time for schedule, resources for people. If time is the risk, schedule buffers are added. If resources are the risk, backup team members may be assigned. This helps prevent the project delays due to missing people, skills, or time. Task aggregation. Aggregating the task into larger group reduces the total buffer size and overestimation. Instead of estimating each small task separately, Agile groups related tasks together. This avoids adding too many unnecessary safety margins and keeps planning realistic. Scope classification. Prioritized scope classification enables adjusting the features dynamically to protect deadlines. In Agile, features are classified as must have, should have, and nice to have. If the deadline is at risk, low priority features are postponed, so important features are delivered on time. So, Agile handles uncertainty not by avoiding it but planning smartly and staying flexibility. Here the flow facilitation and issue resolution. In Agile projects, the goal is to keep work moving smoothly without delays. The Agile project manager plays a key role in maintaining the flow and ensuring the quick issue resolution. Number one, the continuous flow. In Agile, project managers promotes the continuous value flow by clearing the issues before they block progress. This means Agile project managers proactively identify the problems early and remove the obstacles before they slow down the team. They don't wait for delays, they prevent the. Our next one is they lead daily stand up to improve the team communication and surface problem fast. Daily stand up meeting help the team stay aligned. Team members quickly share what they are working on, what problems they are facing. This allows issue to be dealt with immediately. Our next one is the flow management reduces waste caused by multitasking, delays, and rework. When work is blocked or people multitask too much, efficiency drops. Agile project managers focus on keeping the task simple and moving, which reduces wasted effort and prevents the unnecessary rework. Here, when coming with the throughput focus helps team delivers high value features faster and more reliable. Throughput is the rate at which work is delivered. By prioritizing important features and working in the small batches, agile teams deliver value quickly and with a high quality. Agile project manager coordinates cross-team dependencies to avoid flow interruptions. Sometimes work gets delayed because one team is waiting for another team. Agile project managers coordinate between teams to make sure the dependencies and don't stop the progress. In simple terms, Agile project managers keep the work flowing and fix issues fast so the team can deliver value continuously. And next slide, the tools supporting the Agile project management. Agile project management uses a variety of tools to track progress, manage risk, and improve the decision making. These tools give better visibility and help the team react quickly to any problem. The number one is the cumulative flow diagram. This is a key visual tool that shows the amount of work in different stages of the workflow, like to do, in progress, and done. It helps the identify the bottlenecks and by showing where too much work is getting stuck. If one stage has too many tasks, that means there is a blockage that needs attention. Issue logs. Issue logs are used to track problems or risks during the project. They help identify Identify items that are blocking progress. Agile teams regularly update issue logs to monitor which problems are still open and which have been resolved, ensuring that nothing is ignored. Parking lot diagrams. Parking lot diagrams gives a high-level visual summary of multiple projects or modules. They show buffer usage, delays, or risk in each area. This is very useful for managers to quickly see which parts of the project needs attention. Our next one is resource level plans. These plans help identify the critical chain and optimize the use of limited resources. If a team member is overloaded or there is a dependency on a specific skill, resource level planning ensures work is distributed correctly to keep project flow smooth. These tools improve transparency, reduce the uncertainty, and help in faster data driven project decisions. And next, benefits of the Agile project management. The software economic miracle. Agile is called as the software economic miracle because it helps the companies deliver faster, reduce cost, improve quality, and stay competitive. Let's look at how Agile achieves this. Value delivery. Agile delivers the more value more often. Instead of waiting the months for the final product, Agile delivers a small working features frequently. This allows companies to get faster return on investment and respond quickly to customer needs. Empowered teams. Agile teams are self-organizing and empowered. They collaborate, make decisions together, and take ownership of their work. This improves the innovation, motivation, and accountability within the team. Higher quality. Agile maintains the quality through continuous testing and early feedback. Since the defects are identified and fixed earlier, the overall software quality improves. This reduces the costly rework and enhances the customer satisfaction. Next one is the business adaptability. Agile is the flexible to change the business priorities even if market conditions change, the new customer requirements arise. Agile can adjust scope and priorities without losing the control. This adaptability is a key advantage in today's fast moving business world. So together these benefit faster value delivery, stronger teams, better quality and adaptability create what we call the software economic miracle in agile project management. And thank you.